Welcome back to another Tech Junkie video. Today we're going to take a road trip, pick my daughter up. She's been in quarantine for the past 3 weeks. So we're going to go pick her up, and this will be the first opportunity we've had to take the TRX on a road trip. So we're going to check the fuel efficiency on the highway. This is something that we haven't had an opportunity to do yet. We know that we average between 9.5 and 10 miles per gallon in the city, but this will be the first time for us to gauge how much it actually costs to use gas on the highway. We're also engaging the safety locks just to be safe. But yeah, we're going to do that today. This is our first chance to do so. So we're going to set the trip meter specifically so that we can gauge the fuel efficiency on the highway. So a quick update. We've been 23.3 miles and we're averaging 12.3 miles to the gallon. We haven't come close to hitting 14 at this point. I don't know what you have to do to hit 14 because we did 70 on the interstate on cruise control with no real accelerations, and we hit 12.3. So I might think that 14 is wishful thinking on Ram's part, but who knows?
Or going downhill on a mountain.
Yeah, it could be good going downhill on a mountain. So we're not done yet. We're going to keep it running, and we'll update again when we get back to the city. All right, we went 48 miles and we're back in the city. Our fuel efficiency did not increase. It actually dropped just a little bit to 12.2 miles per gallon. So that 14 miles to the gallon that it says on the window sticker might be wishful thinking. I didn't do any real fast accelerations or anything. Most of it was at 70 miles an hour on cruise control. So 48.1 miles, 12.2 miles per gallon over a 50-minute drive. So don't think we're going to ever see 14 miles to the gallon in this truck. What do you think?
Not unless the wind's blowing and we're going downhill.
Yeah, pretty much. So we're going to do an impromptu mini off-roading session. We're going to head out to a lake near our house that has a little bit of a hill that most trucks can't climb that I know of because of weathering and stuff like that. I didn't want to run my 1500 Bighorn up it because I'm inexperienced, and I didn't want to risk getting stuck or not being able to get up the hill. But we're definitely going to put the T-Rex to the test. So we're going to head out there and see about climbing this hill, go to the back of the lake where people like to congregate and gather and build bonfires and roast marshmallows and hot dogs and all that good shit. All right, lighting is terrible because it's almost sunset. Yeah, I don't know that we're going to be able to get through there. It looks like the erosion has eaten away at the dirt. Yeah, that's not, I don't know about that. Yeah, I'm not doing that. I'm not going through there. The erosion's eating the dirt away too much. I'll bottom out in that. The way the erosion's eating it up, it's not a hill. It'll bottom out. I won't be able to get up there. I'm gonna go around, see if I can go around.
Yeah, it is. Clearance, you won't be able to make it. You won't be able to make it. Huh?
The way the erosion's eating it up, it's not a hill. It'll bottom out. I won't be able to get up there. I'm gonna go around and see if I can go around.
He can't make it because this.
I know. I knew. I told you guys.
So I can't get through there because rainwater has come through and basically taken the hill apart. So we're going to try to get around it and go a different way. Piece of cake.
What do you think about your first toy?
Piece of cake. Y'all getting on the back? It's a long walk to the back.
Sure.
I'll kill you first. Look at me. Now I know why Jordan was struggling to get up here.
Here, hold this. There we go. Oh my goodness.
We should be able to do this. This would be much more feasible. Piece of cake.
What do you think about your first toy?
Piece of cake. Y'all getting on the back? It's a long walk to the back.
Sure.
All right.
To what?
Get on the. So this is my first time going off-road in the truck, and I love it. It did surprisingly well. Pretty quick and easy up that hill. Now we just have wide open space.
That looked pretty smooth. How was it from the inside?
There's no way I would have done that with the other truck. There's just no way.
That you would have what?
I would have never done that with the other truck, but that was fun. We got to come out here with more daylight. It sucks they won't let us follow the drone, but you know. If you like this video, be sure to hit the like button. Consider subscribing to the channel. We have a lot of content coming, both on the tech side and on the Ram TRX side. So you want to subscribe to the channel and hit that bell so you get notified for all the videos. And we'll see you in the next video. I try to post daily, if not daily, every other day. So stay tuned for more, and we'll see you next time. Y'all take it easy.